You can call me on my cell phone, and if you do your research, it ain't hard to tell that a black man, Henry T. Sampson, invented the gamma electric cell, and Shirley Ann Jackson, PhD, made the caller ID, call waiting, and the touch-tone phone. The black inventor Gerald A. Lawson rocks. He invented the console for Wii, PlayStation, and Xbox. We rock. Glasses at the movies. Mark Hanna made it easy for us to see flicks in 3D. Putting that butter on popcorn. Don't forget your favorite dip, as we give thanks to George Crumb for making those delicious potato chips. And to make sure your snacks don't start decaying, Frederick M. Jones invented mobile refrigeration. Now I'm all the way up. Tell this to the haters. A black man, Alexander Miles, made the modern day elevator. Jay-Z, 50, Weezy, Meek Mills, Rick Ross, Nicki, Drake, who's the best? Give props for the makers of the mic, Jahad Sessler and James West. In Jordans, Ewings, Timbs, Gators, we want to be seen. Made with Marcellinger's shoe-lasting machine. The creative mind is in your DNA. Let's give it up for the black inventors of today. We got Percy L. Julian, scientist, known as the forgotten genius. He invented the process of synthesis. His work led to birth control and cortisone improvements. Most of us don't like needles, but we give thanks to Charles Drew, who created the blood banks. Patricia Babbs, a sister you must know. She made the laser focal, a laser cataract probe. We got Philip Downing with the mailbox, George Washington Carver. Here's a few things he made with the peanut. Flour, soap, skin lotion, shaving cream, paper, wallboard, wood stain, and much, much more. Nah, I mean. And when the trains weren't running on the track smooth and clean, Elijah, the real McCoy, made the railroad lubricating machine. We made the cardio pad and the spectrograph, the traffic light and the gas mask. When you really think of it, it'll make you shake and shiver just how much your infinite mind can deliver. We can go on like the upward flow of the Nile River. Just don't forget them NASA sisters from Hidden Figures. And they're not alone. So let's talk black facts when you call me on the cell phone. Peace. Kamal Amani.